When you hear the words quantum computing, most people think of IBM, Google, or Microsoft. But there's one company that's taking a very different path, and that's D-Wave Quantum. Today, we'll break down D-Wave's unique business model, their latest product launch, financial performance, recent news, and an investor's playbook. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether D-Wave belongs in your portfolio or not. 1. Business overview. D-Wave Quantum is a quantum computing company that specializes in annealing-based systems, a technology path focused on solving real-world optimization problems today. At the same time, they're also investing in gate model technologies, giving them a dual-path roadmap, short-term commercial utility through annealing, and long-term potential through fault-tolerant quantum systems. Key highlight: Advantage 2 6th generation, launched with 4,400 plus qubits, 20-way connectivity using the Zephyr topology, 40% higher energy scale, 75% noise reduction, and tilde-12, 5 kW power consumption. Access through Leap Cloud platform in 40 plus countries, or via on-premises systems that cost tens of millions. Target customers include enterprises, research institutions, government agencies, and high-performance computing centers. 2. Product positioning and usage. Annealing hardware and QBTS, large-scale on-premises deployments plus subscription-based cloud access. Hybrid solvers. Advantage 2 now supports up to 2 million variables for real-world optimization. Usage growth. Since June 2022, Advantage 2 prototypes have solved 20.6 million problems, with 134% growth in the last 6 months before general availability. Market approach: combining high-value system sales with recurring cloud revenue. 3. Latest news and 2025 operational highlights. Advantage 2 general availability. Full technical launch integrated into hybrid solvers. $400 ATM equity program completed in June 2025, boosting cash to $819 M. Funds will be used for strategic acquisitions, working capital, and CapEx. Notable sale: Germany's Jülich Supercomputing Center purchased an on-premises Advantage system, priced between $20.40 M. Industry recognition: media and analysts list D-Wave among 2025's leading quantum computing stocks, highlighting annealing's near-term practicality. 4. Financial fundamentals, Q2 FY 2025. Revenue, $3.01 M, plus 42% YoY, down from Q1 due to no major hardware sale this quarter. GAAP gross profit, $1.04 M margin, 63.8%. Bookings, $1.3 M, plus 92% YoY. Cash, $819 M, record high. GAAP net loss, $167, 3 M, largely due to non-cash warrant remeasurement. Adjusted net loss, $25, 3 M. Adjusted EBITDA loss, $13, 9 M. Key point: operational losses are still significant, but GAAP losses were inflated by accounting effects from share price-driven warrant changes. 5. Competitive and strategic positioning. Differentiator: annealing technology is practical for near-term, production-grade optimization problems. Competition: gate model players like IBM and Google are chasing long-term error-corrected systems. Future roadmap: cryogenic packaging innovations to scale toward 100,000 qubits. Risks: market perception between annealing versus gate model approaches, dependency on large but infrequent system sales, and the challenge of building recurring revenue. 6. How to interpret the fundamentals. Growth versus lumpiness. Strong year-over-year growth, but quarterly revenue can swing based on timing of big sales. Loss profile. Adjusted figures are a better indicator of actual operating health. Balance sheet strength. Record cash position provides a runway for R&D and acquisitions, but came with shareholder dilution. 7. Key factors to watch going forward. Adoption signals. More on-premises wins in HPC, defense, and government sectors. Advantage 2 traction. Growth in cloud usage, enterprise adoption, and solver performance benchmarks. Financial momentum. Bookings mix, backlog, and cash burn relative to $819 M cash reserve. Capital moves. Any new equity offerings, warrant activity, or strategic acquisitions. 8. Suggested investor playbook. Focus on recurring revenue. Track QBTS and services growth beyond one-off hardware deals. Use adjusted metrics. Remove warrant-related noise to see the real operating picture. Monitor cash allocation. Ensure capital is going to roadmap acceleration, acquisitions, and scaling production. Manage risk exposure. Frontier tech means high volatility. Consider staged entries and controlled position sizes. Compare architectures. If your thesis is near-term optimization, annealing works now. If you're betting on long-term fault tolerance, watch their gate model progress closely. One paragraph investor thesis. D-Wave Quantum 6th Generation Advantage 2 system, coupled with growing customer engagement, showcases the real-world practicality of annealing-based quantum computing. With a record $819 million cash reserve, the company is well-funded to accelerate its roadmap and pursue acquisitions. However, revenue is still lumpy, operating losses are high, and dilution has been significant. This stock is best suited for investors comfortable with high volatility, who focus on the quality of bookings, recurring QBTS growth, and clear signs that Advantage 2's commercial rollout is translating into sustained, recurring revenue over the next several quarters.